I just wanted to say that I had Guardian out. They were very expedient in response to my needs. My roof had a small leak in it. My fireplace was leaking a little bit too. So when they came out, they did a great job of reviewing it and saying, okay, here's all the things we can do, giving me options. Following up on that, they were here within a couple of weeks, scheduled it up. Took them 2 days to do the whole roof. I have a pretty good sized roof. And they came back, even after it was completed, it looked great. They kept the grounds clean. They had to carry the stuff up on the roof because I have no easy drop. So they literally had to do a lot of physical work to get my roof done, but they still made the time frame. They redid the roofing of the chimney so that the shielding would be more appropriate for the weather. Very nice job, very nice people to work with. They checked back several times and actually had them drop back again about 2 weeks ago just to make sure everything was working great. I would highly recommend, and I have highly recommended Guardian for this kind of work.